Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Interactive Brokers account. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and locate the Open Account button. You'll then choose the account type that best fits your trading needs, whether it's an individual, joint, or IRA account. Next, carefully enter your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details, ensuring all fields are correct for a smooth process. After providing your personal details, the next crucial step is identity verification. You'll need to upload specific documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address, to confirm your identity. Once verified, link your bank account to facilitate easy transfers of funds. Finally, make your initial deposit. Many accounts require a minimum of $100 to begin trading, so be sure to check the current requirements. With your account funded and verified, it's time to configure your trading preferences. You'll select the specific trading permissions you need for different asset classes, like stocks, options, or futures. Next, choose your market data subscriptions to access real-time quotes and research. Don't forget to set up robust security features, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now that your account is configured, take a moment to thoroughly review all your settings and agreements. This ensures everything is exactly as you intend before you start trading. Then, dive into the Interactive Brokers trading platform, exploring its powerful tools and features to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find many resources to help you get started. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.